After some verbs you can use gerund or infinitive and it has the same meaning, so you don't even have to think about it. If we compare, I hate losing a game, I hate to lose a game. Generally the same meaning. He likes sleeping outside, he likes to sleep outside. Again, same meaning, and they love riding horses. They love to ride horses. That's all right. You don't have to think about it twice. And those verbs, some of those verbs are like love and hate. They all fit together in a group nicely. However, there's a second group where there is a difference in meaning, so you have to be very careful here. If we look at those verbs, he stopped smoking and he stopped to smoke. Now, he stopped smoking. He doesn't smoke anymore, ever. So he will never again buy a pack of cigarettes. But he stopped to smoke is he made a break to smoke. So huge difference in meaning, be careful. Same with I remember calling you and I must remember to call you. The must is not important. So if calling and to call, calling deals with the past. So I remember calling you last night, for example, but I must remember to call you, that is for tomorrow or another day. So past and future, big difference. And I forgot buying that book. I forgot to buy you a present. I forgot buying that book. I have lost the memory of that. I cannot remember that. So, but I forgot to buy you a present. I remember it, but I didn't do it. Again, huge difference in meaning. So there are some verbs, and I have taken the three most important ones here: stop, remember, and forget. Be very careful what you use.